Yo, this is H block. This is $12.99 here on.
All day. $12.99.
Yeah. What's up, freestyle, bitch? Gage Dodge, fuck you, bitch. Yeah. Yo. See me in the Triller with this coke white like vanilla. Scrape you off a pillar. You ain't doing shit to me. Put a gun in your face. Erase your identity. You're fucking with me. P-R-I-N-C-E. I'm selling keys, making money, bitch. Chopping on the block. H block in. I cook it up the rock on the hour with the coke and the powder. Smoking on that sour, yeah, I bust back 12 gauge with the power. So what the fuck you gonna do to me? Nothing, keep bumping your gums while I'm getting a Hummer and a Gummer in the, yeah, you know I'm starting making money all day in the club, 100s and stacking on it, yeah. Going to the club, vacation time on the next run, swimming in the 519, yo, I'm slip and slide, doing things to your girl, smoking purple, this a different world.
It's a different world, yeah, we're fucking your girl. We got her on the bed, bent over, white pearls. Now I got them titties slapping, hitting assing. This fucking Cage Dodge got that fucking clap. What? I'm getting this bitch fucked up, sick and twisted like his fucking mom. Yeah, we rip it up when we're on H block, son. So don't fuck with us, cause you're fucking on the run. We're coming back at you with the gat, yeah. We're coming back to fucking hang your cat in the back of the closet with your fucking child whips on it. We got motherfucking drugs like you're hooked on phonics. Now Prince is going to hit that bitch.
Yo, hooked on phonics while I'm smoking mad chronic, racing around like Sonic. Bitch, you don't even know, cause you ain't on it. Bitch.
Yeah. And H block, nigga.